guys, we're going to Nasugbu, Batangas. We're doing trilogy around 4 a.m. We start at 4 a.m. in the morning. The time is 12:35 in midnight. Okay guys, see you later. Waiting na lang namin si Ate Gina, ang tour guide namin. On the way na daw siya. Natutulog pa yung aking kasama, yung tulog. Sige, mamaya na lang guys.
Ng kalikasan.
To Mount Alamitan. Na ayun yung akit namin, pababa na kami. Ayan na, pababa na kami, going. Paglalakad na kami, going to Mount Alamitan. Sige guys, ma'am. Pangalawang summit. Pangalawang summit na kami.